Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale on your PC using Bluestacks. Many players enjoy the larger screen and improved controls that emulators offer. We'll walk through everything you need to know, from getting Bluestacks installed to launching Clash Royale, and even optimizing your settings for a super smooth experience. Get ready to take your Clash Royale battles to a whole new level, enjoying the game on your computer with ease and precision. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to get Bluestacks installed on your computer. Head over to the official Bluestacks website and download the installer. Once the download is complete, simply run the file and follow the easy on-screen prompts. The installation process is quite intuitive, guiding you through each step. It's also a good idea to quickly check that your computer meets the recommended specifications to ensure Bluestacks runs smoothly, giving you the best possible gaming environment. Now that Bluestacks is ready, it's time to get Clash Royale. Launch Bluestacks and you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account, which grants you access to the Google Play Store. Once signed in, navigate to the Play Store, search for Clash Royale, and hit Install. It's just like installing an app on your phone. If you have an APK file for the game, you can also drag and drop it into Bluestacks to install it directly. Super simple. To truly elevate your Clash Royale experience, let's optimize a few settings. Dive into Bluestacks settings menu to allocate more RAM or CPU cores if your computer can handle it, which will significantly boost performance. Next, customize your keyboard controls. Setting up precise keybinds for deploying troops or spells can give you a competitive edge. You can even use the multi-instance manager to run several game accounts at once. These tweaks will ensure your battles are as smooth and enjoyable as possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.